Alright, so I can't tell if it's in focus too much. Let's see here, infinity, 10 feet, 5 feet. Something like that. So basically I got the fuzz back in. If you're coming over here from the fuzz board review or just solder joints real quick. Got it plugged in. Got it hooked up to the melody maker. And right now it's dead quiet. Like, that's full volume. No humming, no twisting, no buzzing. I got it. Got about half of everything. Fuzz is off right now. Reverb, everything's down. So I'll just do a quick little clean test. I don't have the one microphone on the camera pointing towards it. It's kind of reflecting off the back wall. And then the in-camera microphone is working well. So I'm not sure how it actually sounds on this camera, but a little bit of clean note picking. We'll do some clean strumming. Now we're going to crank on the fuzz. So turn it on. Fuzz is on, gain's all the way down, attack's off. That E, you notice that? It's pretty dry. Let's see if any reverb works for it. Go over that high 12. Right. Let's turn the treble up a little bit. Alright, so now we're not cutting it, it's just dead middle. Going way up on the neck there. Alright, so now we're going to turn the attack up. Where we're going to turn the reverb down. Attack should make it a lot more harsh. definitely sensitive there. Volume's at 12, bright's on. Turned up the attack some. Gain is still way down on it, but you can hear how much more sensitive it is. I've really cut through the drums, cut through the bass, right? Let's see here, turn down a little bit of that. Turn up everything on the pickups. Yeah, I'd say it cuts through pretty good after a little bit more updating of some of the resistors and a couple of the electrolytics. So yeah, that's the Fuzz for the Acoustic 260. Really needs to be in the hands of someone who can rock out that 70s fuzz. My chops aren't there for that stuff anymore. The pentatonic scale is probably about where I stop. This is going into 212s. It's the 212, it's the 160 cabinet with no horn on it. That horn would be ear piercing, I'm thinking. But this is just the... Yeah, to the 160 or into the 260. Alright, that's enough of that. So that's with the guitar plugged in, all the way turned down. You can hear how quiet it is. I mean, it's going to pick up from this light too, the little interference. But all in all, pretty impressed for this old thing to come back to life.